Now everything is fine. Now let me know that, guys. Let me know that. Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Yeah. Okay. So we will, what we will do now in the service class, guys. See that what is that? Service TS, right? Service TS is there. Okay. Now in the service class, what we will do now? In the service class, what we will do now? We will generate what? Base path. Okay. Now base path, but all no need here till now. Just base path is what? This is the base path of what? Our REST employee, right? REST client. Okay. So this is what? Base path, base path of what? Our REST client. Okay. So now fine, guys. So we created, right? What is that? Base path. Okay. After this what is that? We have need to what? Using what we have need to make the request where our what get put post methodology is there. So for that we have need to make easy relation, right? Easy has a relation, same like in Angular also. HTTP client is there, right? So we have need to use that HTTP client inside what? Inside what? Our constructor. What is that? Make the private private. Just I'm taking what is that? HTTP variable name. After then what is that? HTTP client, right? HTTP client. Okay. So we have need to take this HTTP client. Inside HTTP client, that method is there based on that, like update, put, delete, get. These methods are there. Okay. So now fine. Now till now the things is completed, guys. Okay. So now let's what is that? Here see that in the postman it's returning what is that? Get all method is returning what? List of employee, right? Whatever data is there in the database, it's returning, right? So we will write one method inside what? Service class. Inside what? Service class we will write one method. That method will fetch the data. Fetch the data, right? Fetch the data. That method will. So for that just I'm specifying one method. That method name is get all employee. Get all employee, right? Employee. Okay. So now this is the method. Okay. So this is the method. Inside that what I'm going to do now, just make the method call, right? This dot get sorry, this dot http. What is the reference? HTTP, right? In the client what is that? Based on this reference only we will make the request. Okay now. So what is that? Http dot, what is that? See that, come to our what? REST controller. Which kind of methodology it's using, right? All, right? All means what? Get type, right? We have need to make the get type request. So come inside that, what came the http dot get. Okay. Use this get method. Inside that what you will do now, guys? What is the base path? Okay na, base path, right? So this one, okay, this symbol you have to use. What is that? Single quote symbol. Okay. After then what you will put inside that, what, guys? What is that? Dollar open bracket close bracket. Okay. Inside that what you will, this dot what is that? Base URL, base path, right? So take this one, base path. Okay. Take the base path. After then what you will do now, guys? After then what is that? What is the URI of the endpoint? All, right? This is the all. Okay. So come here, come inside the application, come inside the application, right? Yeah, backtick only. Okay. Comes inside the application, right? Now slash what is that? All right. Okay. So this is what? This is our request we have need to make. But based on this one, what we are doing, that we are making the request, guys. But after then what is that? It will come the list of JSON data, right? This is the JSON data. Our REST will produce what? List of JSON data. So we have need to store somewhere, right? We have need to store somewhere. That memory I already told. What the memory name? Observable. That memory name is what, guys? Observable, right? So for that, what we will do now, here we will take the return type. What is that? Observable. Observable. This is there in the React JS package, guys. Okay. So observable, inside that it will return, what is that? It will returning what, guys? Employee, right? Employee. It's a returning collection, means list of data. So for that, what we will do now? Employee array, right? We will take the employee array, generic type. Okay. So employee array. employee array. We are still getting, because of that it's asking what return type, guys. Okay, it's asking return, right? Return, but still some error is there. So we have need to typecast. What is that? We have need to typecast the data here also, right? What is that? Employee array, right? Employee array. That's it. Now see, the error is gone. There's still something here. It's showing that what is missing. This, where the is missing, man. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Fine, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciated. Yeah, thank you so much. Chandu, right? Thank you. Yes, fine. So we completed, right? We completed service class logic, right? Service class logic. So for that, next, what we will do now, guys? So we have need to take this data, right? We have need to take this data inside what component? Our what is that? Employee list component is there, right? Employee list component TS. Based on that, we will render our what data in the page only, right? So for that, open what employee list component. Where the employee list component is there, guys? Come to here, employee list component. Open this one, okay? So what is that? Employee list component TS, right? Open this one. There inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now, guys? So here we will write one method. There we will write the logic. But before that, what we will do now? Because we have need to create one what employee array attribute, right? Where we will store the data. So now what we will do now? No, before doing, let's do some what is that? In constructor we have need to make the EJ relation between, right? How this is what employee list component is there, right? Component, how our component will interact with what service class. Think about that, how our service class interacting with DAO class in the our Java application, how our controller class interacting with the service class. We are making EJ relation, right? Same like here service class logic we wrote completed, right? But we are using that service class logic inside what employee list component, guys. So for that we have need to make what EJ relation between what this employee list component. So for that, what we will do now, guys, in this constructor, right? In this constructor, we will make what is that? Private service EJ relation. We are preparing EJ relation. Then we can use that logic inside this class. Okay, inside this class. Okay. So service dot what is that? Employee what is that? Employee service, right? Employee service. After then one more, guys, router to activate. We are clicking the link, right? So whenever we will click the link, right? The based on that router it will show that data, right? So for that we have need to make that also as what is a relation here only. Private, what is that? Router colon router, right? Yeah, fine. So after then what we will do now, guys? After then what we will do now, guys? We will write one method. Which method? That method will interacting with what? That method will interact what? Will interact with what? Our what? Our application, service application, right? So but before doing that, we have need to store that data, because from there, right? From employee list service, what is that? Array kind of array list, array data is coming, right? Array JSON data is coming now, right? So for that we have need to store that data or not. So for that we have to prepare one variable, right? Just I'm preparing what is that? Employee employ employee colon what is that? Employee model class, right? What is that? Employee model class. Our employee model class is there, right? Now array this one. Okay, now array. Fine, guys. So now till now the things is completed. So next what we will do now? Let's write one method, right? Let's write one method. So here, whenever we are reading this data, right? Whenever we will read the data from the observable, guys, right? Whenever we will read the data in the observable in the list component, right? In the list component means we are subscribing. We will subscribe this data means we have need to call one method subscription, right? Subscription. So for that means to read the data in the employee list component, we are subscribing the data. So for that, come here. Okay, so come here. So now what I'm going to do now, guys, if so here just I'm calling what get all get all employee get all employee, right? Get all employee. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, just I'm calling what is that service method, right? Service method. Inside that service method we already wrote, right? This method get all employees. So if we want to call this service method, so we are making the easy relation service, right? So we will take this reference, service reference here. Okay, so now this dot service dot what is that, get all employee, right? After getting all employee, right? After getting all employee dot what is that, subscribe. We have need to read the data from the observable memory. For that, subscribe, right? Subscribe object is there. Inside that we will subscribe, we will read the data. Okay, so now let's read the data. So we know that lambda expression in the Java, same like in Angular also, I'm going to use what, lambda expression, right? Data, just I'm storing the data inside this variable, right? Open bracket, close bracket. If data is there, right? If data is there, otherwise if any error is there, for that E double R O R, right? E double R O R, error. If error will come, one minute, guys. If error will come, so for that this block, okay na? Inside that what I'm going to do now, console dot log, right? Dot log. Inside that just I'm writing what is that, error message. Error message, right? Just I'm writing this error message, right? Here it will get error message, and here we will write the logic. Here we will write the logic. What is that, employee, right? So we will store the data in the observable memory. We will subscribe the data. For that, this dot, right? What is the reference of this array, employee, right? Employee, we will take the employee of equal to, we will store this data data. Now we stored this data, guys. Okay, now our component also completed, guys. Okay, now our component class logics also completed. Okay, let's see that our data, whatever data is there, because here we are getting the JSON data, right? We will convert this JSON data in what, table format. So for that, come into what, our employee list component HTML. Open this component. Okay, so previously we are getting what, whenever we are clicking on this button, right? Come here, whenever we are clicking view all, we are getting this message, right? Here we will get what, employee list data, right? Table we will get, right? Instead of this employee list, we will get what, table. So for that, let's write the logic. Okay, so for that, what we will do now, write the logic. So now, okay, let's start the, guys. Let's start it. Okay, let's start. What, just I'm writing what is the table, right? Table. Inside that, just table, I'm using what is that, bootstrap class table, right? After then, what is that, table, what is that, come here, what is that, table tr, right? Tr. Inside that tr, how many property, model data, right? Where the employee model is there, guys, employee ts, yeah. How many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 fields are there, right? 6 fields are there. Okay, so just do one thing, td th, table header data, right? 1 2, hey, what's happening now, copy, uh, Z, right? Giving the hand, copy, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6. Okay, now first one is what, where one, Okay, first one is employee ID, right? So first one is what? Employee ID. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, first one is what? Employee ID. Write it. EMPLOY, employee ID, right? Employee ID. Now fine, guys. Employee ID. Another one is what? Another data is what? Employee name, right? Now come here. Employee name. Employee name. Employee name. Another one is what? Employee password. Password, right? Another one is what? Employee gender, right? Employee gender. Another one is what? Employee address, right? Another one is what? Employee country. Fine. You want to see that? Come here. See that employee ID, employee name, employee password, employee gender, employee address. Whenever we will click this button, okay? Now still data is not coming. We will see that, okay? Na? I hope you people are not feeling bored. I hope I can expect it, guys. Use the chat box, guys. I hope I'm making this session useful for you, okay? I hope I'm reachable to you people. I made too much easiest way this application, okay? Okay, so now fine. So employee ID, employee name, right? Employee ID and employee name. How we manage serial number? First, change your name, okay? Parents already given the name, right? Give the name. Why you are using 3B4 and you are asking how we manage serial number? I will manage it, man. Still, that is the next level discussion, okay? That is the next level discussion. Wait, okay? First, change your name. At least I can know that your name, right? Okay, so now fine. Man, we will manage it, man. Don't worry. Everything I will show. Okay. If you want, right? Already I'm creating big things in the small amount of time, right? In a single day. See, if you attend institute, right? These things will take what? 1 month to complete, right? They will extend the time. They will take much time, okay, na, to creating. But in a single day, think about that. I'm creating mini project and I'm delivering to you people. And after then you are asking serial number. Okay, don't worry. Everything will come. But I have need to take care each and everyone, not only you. Think about others also. In the meeting, right? Uh, Total 19 people are there, right? Okay, so now let's move on. Let's move on and we will see that. Okay, this is now. Okay, guys. So for that, what we will do now? What we will do now? For condition, right? So to iterate the data, right? From the what? From the array, right? From the array. From the array. Come here. Come here. To iterate the data. What is that? Employee service is there, right? No. Employee list component is there. In the inside that employee list component, employee array data is there, right? So for that, come here, right? Come here. So for that, in the Angular, right? Let's take tr, right? Tr. Inside the tr, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Here. Now star, right? Star ng for, right? This is what for each condition. We can say that this is what for each condition. Inside that, what we will do now? We will use what? Let keyword. After then reference of come to what? Our employee list component. What is that? what is that employee list array. This reference variable you have to copy it and come inside that and paste it here, right? Okay, the data will come. After then what you will do now? TD. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 5, 6. Now what you will do now, guys? What you will do now? What you will do now? Just TH, TD, right? Table data. Table data 1, table data 1. Inside that also double curly braces. Okay, double curly braces also we are taking. Now copy this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, fine. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fine, guys. Okay. So after then, what is the reference name? E, right? E dot come to model class, right? E dot come to model class. In the model class, what is the ID? Same, must be same. Otherwise, you will get what error? Now paste it again. What is that? E dot. E dot. What is that? Another variable name. Come to model class. Employee name. Copy this one. Come to here. Now paste it again. Here, what is that? E dot. E dot what? Employee. Come to employee. Now copy this one. Copy. Come to here. Now paste it again. What is that? What is that? Another, right? What is that? Employee password is there. Now E dot. What is that? E dot what? Gender, right? Copy this one. Copy this one. Paste it, right? Okay. Now another one is what? E dot. E dot what? Employee address, right? Copy this one. Come here. Paste it. Another one is what? E dot country. Copy this one. Come here and paste it, right? All data is came now. Now save it. Now come to browser. Come in the browser. Now refresh it. Hey, why data is not coming? Why data is not coming? Already server is running now. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Something. Maybe. Don't worry. We will do that. Wait, guys. The database data is there, right? Again, I will make it. Okay, first what we will do now, I added, but I did not run again the application, right? So what I will do now, just I'm stopping this application one time. Now again, I'm running this application, guys, right? Right click, run application, run the server. Now next, now finish. It will take time. I'm stopping screen sharing, guys. Please wait, okay? Just I will run the application, then I will again share. Yeah, now let's share the screen. Okay, so again, come to our browser, just refresh it.
I think we have a problem in components, sir.
Ah,
We have a problem in components, sir, not in our backend service.
in which component?
Employee components, sir. Component.
Employee service, employee router, Angular core. Setter and a getter, no need. In VS Code, 1 minute. I'm stopping the server again. I will run it. Okay. This what? Sometimes these things will happen, guys. Okay. Don't worry. CLS. Now what is that? NG serv hyphen hyphen open. Oh, you know this data is loading from the cache only, right? Our server is stopped, but still we are getting the result. Oh, okay. Don't worry. We will. Code is correct only. I'm confident with my code. Okay. So now wait until unless our server is not started. Okay. Our code is. This is the coding, guys. We have need little bit patience also, right?
Sir, in this ID, how we will debug, sir, whether data is coming or not in from backend to front end?
I will show that. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
It's saying that 4200 is already in use.
I think in one of the terminal it is already running, sir.
Hmm? Wait. Taking time. Okay, two terminal is open, right? Okay, control C. I'm stopping this terminal, right? Yeah, I'm stopping this one also. Both I'm also, because already our application is running. Okay. So now again I'm going to run this application, guys. Be patient. Okay, be patient. Now what is that? Ng serve hyphen hyphen open.